Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. What is the Google Ad Search? Google Ad Search. Google search set Google Ad Search. Google Ad Search. What is the Google Ad Search? The search campaign allows you to place ad access Google visit network of search results. You can shows at people activate search online and products and service. A search campaign in our campaign type of available on Google Ads. To create search campaign, the why Google search ad. Google Ad is Google online advertising program. The program allows you to create online ad to reach audience and including the products and service and obtain the Google Ads platform runs on pay-per-click PPC advertising. You have pay and every visitor and the Google search. What are the search ad? Search ad have the main campaign, the headlines, display URL, description, text or design, convert, use and click, and extension B including reach and additional format. How to Google Ad work, how to Google search and SEO. Get more custom paid Google Ad search. Create search campaign, about and campaign. Google Ads, what are Google Ads sell? Create search campaign. To create a search campaign as a Google news and events and format the Google Ads and many experience and update work from and Google Ad account page will be updated information. Search campaign always to please ad courses Google visit network search result and then research your goal access highly relevant ad easy setup and new campaign and set goal. Select campaign settings and select your trading. Set up your brinks and enough ads and assess. Set up your ad group and create search ad and search ads. Create display ads. Choose you have budget. Choose you have budget. On the next and optimize your campaign, etc, etc. But Google search said, what are the Google search ad? Search ad is keyword drive digital ads. The search team A use enter details which apps appears on search engine result page SERP. Their ads can appear on Google search network. They can display at the top at this button or next search result on search, Google Play, Google Maps, Google Tabs, and search platform echoes on the Google website. Google Ad keyword tools and Google Ad advertising increase website traffic. How to Google works and how to Google search shopping ad. And the advertising you can choose from several paid search options including text and relevance, call on ads and dynamic search ad. There are search networks support shopping, e-commerce relation, conversion and specie. Why you should use the paid search? Paid search integrates successfully online advertising strategy. How are just and your business can Captain search intent. Search at powerful basic their related and their use. They are attached people who can actual and funnel setup and advertising promote you makes and bakes and about strategy and understand that is value paid search. Great online offline result. You might things and website click sound great but needed more than offsite and onsite and this and also generate leads, sales, phone call, and the invoice and visitor. Target to your ideas audience. Additional advance in displays and man's people in that and a lot of website and customer that's always in marketing and your places. Choose your flexible budget option. Why a search don't use search thoughts and it is and that budget and acceptance. How do Google search ad works? Google Ad is pay-per-click PPC platform, which means you pay when and use, including when you ads. How so it works? 5 setups. You create ad and target a specific keyword. Your place and bids trading Google how much you're willing to pay for this ad. Appear some search and to keyword. When some to that you're even also bidding known and enter actualization. When some search and keyword use in every bidding and keyword internet audience, depending on your quality source and the ad rank, who has that most relevant landing page, performance, Google department, which is theirs, and etc. How much do search ad cost? Since Google use another system and search ad, there are price and campaign the fine average to cost pay per click and Google Keyword Planner. Podcasts like Bill Ads, Quality Source Effect. Then Tropical Need, the Google Ads platform, free ad setup, agents and begins. Search set, which is customized notice. How to can create search ad campaign. How can set up an ad campaign just few minutes set by open and Google Ads account, follow and set up search and links. You can sales and leads and campaign, set up the search campaign, click and bids and create new Google ad campaign. Then choose campaign goal, search select, then campaign type, search and read. Complete the sales lead and website traffic. Choose the campaign settings. Discover on delivery budget and cost bidding strategy. Start and own Google recommended. Smart bring strategies, charge and conversion. One of your great data you can optimize your ads despite then targeted cost per action, CPA, switch and manual budget and strategy. You can obtain Google Display Network, Google Partners, select tracking option in location, audience and targeted. How can search campaign option and display network, which is ad that appearance chosen Google Network, which are is and always an option is created. Create ad groups and building search. Create and by unpadding the main exchange and handling a description and detail URL, the landing page not on Google Ads my combined multiple handle and then describe when in several and this makes sense and independence, conference and movements. Finally, review and launch and campaign Google ad review process can take and schedule and process your campaign. Best perfect search set, create and type many search simple budget. But option campaign and create campaign click and this your campaign search possible. Targeted niche keyword meta types. Every keyword has the known the mass topics and Google search ad always the Google matters type button please and Google Yes, maximum the THG account. Setup and conversion tracking and use search ad possibility. The search campaign quality regular mention drive and the possibility result with one. The manage to Google ad performance. Google provide enhanced and tools match effect search campaign more specific can the likes and return are used and PPC cost per action, CP click, CPC cost per action, cost per conversion, and cost per according CPA, and the costing them. The B2B brands and open conversion trend, you Google Ads and the CRM. The cost per QL and cost per opportunity, cost per source. Google search set, Google News and what the element and education the search at and content inspectors. Google search ad and Google search network, Google dynamic search set, explain text set, response text set, Google keyword, Google meta stack, Google planner, and Google display ad. Thank you, friends. My presentation and Google, what is the Google Ads search and how to Google Ads search work and Google Ads search campaign and what is the Google search at keyword and again in Google search at Google Play, Google Maps and subscription to etc etc. Thank you. Best of luck.